Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually log in or sign in your Prime Video account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just start our video. So to do so, you will simply just go to your Prime Video app here in your mobile phone, and once you open it, you will see this kind of interface over there. So here you will simply add in your email, and then you will simply add in your password over there. And once you're done with your information as well, including your password, you will simply tap on the sign in option. So once you're done with your password over there, simply tap on the sign in option. And as you can see, you can simply be able to log in like that here in your Prime Video account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. If you guys have more concerns, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And yes, I will see you guys next time.